Welcome back, everyone. Today's analysis dives into the Forex market trends we saw on October 28, 2024, and we'll look at what's likely to unfold for tomorrow. This script will help you grasp the factors at play and give a forecast for the upcoming trading day. Let's begin with a quick recap of October 28. The Forex market was influenced by several key events. Major pairs like Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar, and US dollar to Japanese yen had some notable fluctuations. Now, the US dollar was holding on to its recent highs, strengthened by consistent demand from risk-averse investors. At the same time, we saw significant data releases, particularly in the US, which shaped the market sentiment. On October 28, the euro struggled to gain footing as economic data from the Eurozone painted a cautious picture. Germany's latest consumer sentiment report fell short of expectations, signaling that consumer confidence remains a challenge in Europe's biggest economy. The dollar took advantage of this uncertainty, giving a boost to USD pairs and leaving the euro under pressure. Euro to US dollar traded within a tighter range than we've seen in recent weeks. For tomorrow, keep an eye on any surprise data from the Eurozone. Analysts are closely watching the European Central Bank's stance, as some subtle hints are pointing towards policy adjustments in response to the slowing economy. If we see signs of more aggressive easing or dovish comments from ECB officials, Euro to US dollar could slip even further. Moving to Pound sterling to US dollar, the British pound faced some setbacks on October 28 due to disappointing retail sales data. With inflation concerns still hanging over the UK, the Bank of England's stance will be critical here. Watch for any midweek updates on inflation metrics. If the BoE takes a firmer stance against inflation, we could see support for the pound, otherwise, it's likely to continue its downward drift. Now, US dollar to Japanese yen has been in the spotlight, with Japan's central bank hinting at a review of its yield control policy. Traders are on edge because even the slightest hint of a policy shift could have a ripple effect on JPY pairs. The US dollar's strong position also puts additional weight on the yen, so US dollar to Japanese yen is one to watch closely tomorrow. If there's talk of adjusting the Bank of Japan's policy, we could see major movement here. Let's talk about what we can expect on October 29. First, keep in mind the economic calendar. A lot of factors come into play, especially in the US, with consumer confidence data and housing market updates. Here's what we're looking for across major pairs. The euro could continue facing pressure unless the Eurozone data presents some unexpected positivity. However, if US data like consumer confidence hits strong, it could boost the dollar further, putting more downward pressure on euro to US dollar. With BoE updates expected later this week, Pound sterling to US dollar could stay volatile. Expect a slight pullback if UK data tomorrow isn't supportive. The upcoming statements from BoE officials could set the tone, but until then, the pound may be on the defensive. US dollar to Japanese yen might be the most active pair tomorrow. Traders should watch any updates out of Japan that touch on policy adjustments. Given how strong the dollar's trend is currently, a dovish stance from Japan would reinforce a bullish trend for US dollar to Japanese yen, pushing it closer to new highs. To sum it up, October 29 could be an intense trading day with key updates expected from both the US and global markets. Keep an eye on economic releases and watch for any unexpected statements from central banks that might shake things up. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your risk management strategies in place as you navigate these market shifts. See you in the next forecast.